Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 20th episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we worked on the function, and today we'll pass information to the function. So first, open your text editor and open the 20th folder, pass information to function. Open start and main.js. Add the function keyword, the function name. Inside this parentheses, let's pass the parameter message, then add console.log message. Now call the function myMessage and add the argument my first message. If you check the preview, you should see my first message. Let's check them. Open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see my first message over here. Now let's call my message again, but this time let's pass another argument, my second message. If you check the preview, you should now see my second message. Great. It is also possible to add multiple parameters. Let's check them. Add the function greetings. Add multiple parameters. First greet and name. Add console.log. Then add greet space name. Now let's call this function and let's pass the argument. The first one, let's add hello and John. Now open the browser and you should see hello John over there. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on function return value. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.